Hello guys and welcome to Bodysthenics. I'm Johnny, Bodysthenics coach. In today's tutorial we're going to show you unique exercises that are going to help you build both strength and endurance on all different planes. Let's go.
Bodysthenics.
All the exercises we're going to show in today's tutorial can be performed either as a circuit with a short rest time of 30 to 45 seconds between each set. It can also be performed as a full body workout with 3 to 4 sets of each exercise and increased volume of reps with longer rest times.
Just keep in mind that if you decide to perform it as a circuit workout, ensure that you're changing body planes after each exercise and that you avoid performing 2 pulling or 2 pushing exercises back to back.
Ensure that all these exercises are performed with the utmost attention to maintaining a solid and compact hollow body, and that you always try to avoid sacrificing form for reps.
Bodysthenics. Bodysthenics.
Ultimate Calisthenics course will teach you all about the 4 key methods which determine your progress in calisthenics.
Make sure to take advantage by gaining access and hitting the link in the description down below.
Body Cenex.
If you guys found value, then be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell icon for notifications. We upload a new tutorial every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 PM European Eastern Summer Time. Before clicking out of this video, be sure to get your own wrist straps at bodysthenics.com.
For those who want to take their calisthenics strength and skills to the next level, be sure to jump on board our online coaching platform where athletes from all over the globe are taking their calisthenics strength and skills to the next level. Apply for online coaching and book your free call.
You can do this through Body Cenex.